Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's March 25th, 2025. It's probably around 10:40 in the morning, and I'm moving wood chips. And Sally got tired walking back and forth, so she's riding on the tractor with me. There's not much room here. She don't mind. Well, maybe my wife will see this video and realize I need a bigger tractor for the dogs and the grandkids. Still moving wood chips. As I go back, I take more of the firewoods out front of the house, drop it off down here. Alright, so a long day, got that pile of chips moved. I'm sure I was going to use the Yukon to jump the S10. Brought all this wood from the front of the house over some time. The darker wood was what I moved in the last couple days, so this pile is now down here, not in front of the house. We'll split this as we need it, so but it's not an eyesore like it was before. Got all the wood chips moved, and all the animals been fed again for the evening. Bella still hasn't had her babies, so I don't know. There's some false labor going on. Hopefully hurry up and pop out while it's still nice. Also moved some of the car parts that were down here on pile